Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm going to do a large double dip on these 45 by 50 canvases, and I'm going to do the Monarch butterfly colours. Monarch, is it called Monarch butterfly colours. So lots of, I'm going to put a lot of metallic in here, bits of metallic. So I've got my both canvases prepared with tape on the back and my giant push pins. So I will transfer one to the other and try and do this large dip. So this will be interesting because it's been a while since I did a double dip on a very large canvas like that. And at the present time, I'm having some shenanigans going on with my camera. I just done a whole pour to find that it had stopped after 6 seconds. So the whole pour was not recorded, and it was a beauty too. So nothing I can do about that. So now I'm freaking out whether this is going to cut out while I'm doing this large pour. But you know, I can't really do much about it, can I? I've just got to plod on. So what I'm going to do to begin with is I'm going to coat just very lightly my canvases with a white, because I'm going to have plenty of other colour on here. So I'm going to just coat with the white, and I'm going to actually do it with my sponge brush. So I will just coat it with, this is the same as I do, same recipe in this paint as I do all of my paints with the pouring medium. The recipe's in the drop down box if anybody's wondering. And I have whole videos on making your pouring medium recipes. It's probably in the beginners, or I think I've got a pouring medium playlist there, I think. So this is going to be my base, and I'll quickly do it over on the second canvas too. I'll cut this bit out. Rightio, here we go. So going to do the composition in sort of fashion. Oh, this is my champagne gold. So I'm going to do like these, like chevron pattern. I always find these turn out the nicest with my dips. And this is 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. It makes that beautiful champagne gold. This is also silver with burnt umber in it. So it's like a cafe latte colour. These colours look lovely together actually, just on their own, don't they? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I know the Monarch butterfly has the, I'm obviously not going to get exactly the same, but I'm trying to do a similar. So I'm going to put some of this blazing cloud in it for the orangey bits, sort of the, it's like it's not like a bright orange, it's like a dirty orange. So I'm trying to do these V bits. Looks a bit of a ooh-ah mess, but let's hope. I'm going to just put a bit more of the wicker, which is sort of a more yellowy orange. Just going to put a bit of that in a Wiggles fashion. It'll either come out looking like angel's wings or butterfly wings. Who knows? Let's wait and see. So this is a bit of metallic bronze. I'm going to just wiggle that in too. So the metallic colours that I've got in here will really make this overall project sparkly. And oh, I've got an itchy nose. Every time I come in here I get an itchy nose. I don't think the Monarch has got any blue in it, but I just want a little bit in there. I think to have a nice dark colour will actually make it pop. I could put a bit of black in, I guess, which I may do. Not sure. I think that would be about it, isn't it? Maybe a drizzle of black. I hope that, I know the Monarch has got black in it, but maybe just around the edges. Ooh, that should be, because it can quite very well take over. So maybe just my for whatever reason, doing these chevrons or V's, they seem to add the lovely effect. Rightio. Let's hope and pray on a wing and a prayer. So I'm going to get the other big canvas, and I've got the push pins to hold on to. So I'm just going to place it on top like so. So just match it up, marry it up, and what you will do is just gently make sure it's all married up nicely, and then just press it with your hands like so. So you can, I have used in the past, like I've got a roller thing, but I'm just going to do this large canvas with my hands. And because it is a larger canvas doing a dip, it is going to sag the canvas, so I might actually flip the whole thing over and just hope that I get the gorgeous effects that I'd normally do on the smaller canvas when I do this particular. Now remember, if it doesn't transfer all the colour from one to the other, you can always use your balloon to correct it. So I suppose I'm not sure whether to turn it over and transfer it, or should I just try. Let's see. Oh, wish me luck. So I'm going to just peel the one from the other. Oh my goodness, holy dooly. That is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, it's looking at my way. You're kind of looking at it. Oh, we've got the whole thing in the camera. No, not very well because of the large canvases. But that has turned out absolutely gorgeous. Now, you could go on to let that dry and kind of put your butterfly body in there and your duvalakis, your antennas, whatever you call them. Oh, that's really, that colours are stupendous. That's come out far better than I could have ever imagined. The colours are beautiful. Now I'm just going to do some embellishments. It's a butterfly, so I'm going to teeny weeny little bits just where I can see the paint is either a bit too thick or a bit too thin. You can just put teeny weeny embellishments, or you can embellish the whole lot. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and the little balloon kisses are coming out beautifully. They look like little butterflies when you kiss your balloon in there. That is really happy with that. Don't think I've actually ever done that particular colour combo, and now that I see how absolutely gorgeous it is, I'm going to do it in something else, different. But that I couldn't have wished for it to be any more beautiful than that. That's really, really lovely. Oh my goodness, people, you must try this. I did not think I'd get it to work as well on a large canvas. So there you go. You have to give these things a go, don't you? Otherwise you never know if you don't give it a go. I'll just put a bit of paint where I feel it's a bit thin, but I'm actually glad that I didn't. Oh, that is super duper. I will bring you down so you can have a look at it from my perspective, because I don't want to turn it around quite yet. Oh my goodness, this is lovely. I just kissed my balloon in it again, and with some of the colours I made these kind of, they look like little bumblebees, some of them. So it's like fireflies and butterflies. And just look at the little balloon kisses, look, yeah, like little fireflies there, and tiny butterflies. But this, look at this, the colours are absolutely awesome together. Really, really pretty. Could not have wished for that to turn out any better. Go over to the other side. Wow, wow, wow. I'm going to give it a zip over with my heat wand, and then I'm just going to leave it to the drying gods. But there is some really interesting areas in there, and it is certainly angel wings, butterflies and fireflies. So I hope you love my craziness again today. I love that little thing. Hope you loved it again, and you'll be back tomorrow and see what I'm up to. So thank you so much for joining me. Really hope that you give this a go if you're on your paint journey. Give these colours a go, because they are really quite a surprise how well they turned out together. Really, really happy with them. So let me know how you go. So for now, I'll say bye for now.
Trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light. All I want is to get some shut-eye, but my thoughts are keeping me awake. I don't know what it is.